Hello friends, my name is Singh and I am director of SIngh Study Circle. Today we will discuss the top reasons to choose a career in the legal profession. CLAT, Daily NLU, Symbiosis or GGS-IPU law are not just words but it's life for brilliant minds. A career in the legal profession can be intellectually challenging, personally fulfilling and financially rewarding. So, below are 10 reasons to choose a career in the legal profession. Number 1 reason is diverse legal career options. Yes, the complexities of our legal system have created hundreds of legal career options that serve a variety of core and non-core legal functions. From lawyers, judges and mediators to paralegals, secretaries and consultants, the legal professional role is expanding and evolving to keep pace with the ever-changing legal system. Second reason is its growth and opportunities. In the last several years, the legal profession has experienced staggering growth, a steady rise in profits and revenues, expanded headcounts and significant salary increases have provided plenty of job opportunities in broad range of legal positions. Third, one of the most vital reason is its financial rewards. The legal profession is one of the most lucrative industries in today's job market. Double-digit growth in recent years has produced healthy revenues and rising salaries. Client service interaction is fourth best reason and it is heart of the legal profession. Whether you are a lawyer representing a multinational corporate client or a family lawyer or a student, there are several and different communities you touch and inspire. Diverse practice areas is the next important reason to choose law. Legal professionals who seek a career in litigation can specialize in criminal law, environmental law, family law, product liability or dozens of other practice areas. Legal professionals who prefer a career in corporate law can specialize in tax law, merger and acquisition, real estate, finance or any other corporate practice area that satisfy their interest. Sixth reason is intellectual challenge. Well, law is one of the most challenging career options. Navigating an evolving legal system, advances in technology, vast bodies of cases law and the demands of the legal profession creates a stimulating intellectual environment for the legal professionals. Prestige is the next best reason. In a culture that view high pay, impressive schooling and societal power as hallmarks of success, the legal profession has long been regarded as a noble and elite profession. Global perspective is another reason why students choose law. As we know, many corporations are crossing international borders and expanding across the globe through merger, acquisitions, consolidations and collaborations with foreign counsel. The globalization of the legal profession provides today's legal professional with a worldview and the opportunity to serve international clients. Finally, I must say, dynamic environment is the last reason for opting law as a career. The legal professional is continually changing, the evolving and bringing new challenges and rewards. Legal professionals must be problem solvers and innovators, willing to assume new responsibilities, tackle new challenges, master new technology and navigate an ever-evolving legal system. At SIngh Study Circle, we prepare you for all major law entrance exams such as CLAT, Delhi NLU, Symbiosis, Guru Gobind Singh Indraprastha University, Punjab University, Pearson Law Entrance Exam and many others. At SIngh Study Circle, We have a team of experienced and professional lawyers. They will teach you, guide you, counsel you, and will give you a professional environment where you will definitely attain best rank among others. I wish you all the best for your class 12th board result. Thank you so much.